Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and it is here. So I decided this year, based on feedback and some influencers on my channel, to add the Soft Squares Advent box to my collection. So this is the first year. So this is the box itself. So it's not a beautiful box. It's not special ordered. It's not all that. And in fact, I think UPS tried to do their best to just really work this box over. But cute enough, it's got little snowman stickers all over it in that. It is from Lynn over at Soft Squares. So I am super excited about it. I did get the 2025 Advent Box B, which is a 25-day box. So this will start on December 1st and it runs through. What I do think is really cool and neat about this box is all the gifts inside, right, are wrapped individually, special, different. So it really is like opening a gift from, mom or from one of your friends, right? Because it's not all exactly the same, looks the same in that. And I'm not putting down other boxes because this is actually the third box that I've got to do, that I'll do unboxings with. But I think it's really nice and says a lot about Lynn, the Soft Squares team, and kind of what they go for. So I like the idea behind this. I think it does make it feel a little bit more individualized and a little bit more special. That said, Lynn actually stuck a note in that says, welcome to the 2025 Holiday Advent Box B from Soft Squares. Thanks for supporting the small business and for being patient as we've been working hard to get everything just right for this year's boxes. I love creating them, have personally curated everything. I'm really excited for you to finally get to open what I've been working on all year. And it says this year's box is filled with goodies for quilters as well as yummy treats plus a contest. So I think this is going to be really cool. I will read on through here and figure out what's going on. Interesting, a lot of creators do go through and try to look at every day, each day's gift and put a cost to it. Lynn has done that. So Lynn has gone through and told me when I open gift one, it's valued at $60. This box is not on the cheap side. It is $325. But I chose to make that investment. It's a decision I made, and I wanted to try this box this year. Anyways, $60 is what she values the first one. She says the total retail value of this box is over $600 based on the number she's provided. So I'll be anxious to open those and see what they look like. She makes two boxes. This is B, which is the 25 days. She also makes box A, which is only 12 days. And again, it would be right about half the cost. And you could buy A and B because she doesn't duplicate one box to the other box. So I'm missing out on some of the things that might have been in box A. But I'm going to have to miss out this year, guys, because I can't just do it all. But if you're interested, if you want to at least take a look and see what Lynn does, what her team and that has going on, visit them over at softsquares.com. I love watching her video. She actually joined a live with me last weekend. Was the first time she was able to drop in for a little bit. And she chatted just a couple of times, which was amazing. I love watching her channel. She's got such a good sense of humor. She always makes me laugh. So I am super stoked, super excited to get to December 1st. We will be opening this box every day. So spoiler alert. If you don't have the box or you do have the box, we will post each morning of the day of. So typically I post videos around 4:30 a.m. Arizona time, and that's what you can expect as far as this box goes. So we'll see. We got a lot of things going on for the holidays, a lot of things for Christmas, but I'm super excited to work with Soft Squares and see what Lynn has decided would be special and exciting for us this year. So guys, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for being here. As always, appreciate each and every one of you. Please feel free to give a thumbs up, do all those things that the YouTube algorithm likes. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.